Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to fix disabled Instagram ad account. So in order for you to fix this issue, just simply open up your Instagram. And now from here guys, just simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and go to the top right corner, which is the three lines. And from here, just simply go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom, and from here, guys, just simply go ahead and go for the help over here in the more info and support tab. And after that, just simply go for the support requests. And after that, from here, you should be able to see here, guys, violations. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here on what violation did you do in their community guidelines or their policies or rules. And from here, you should be able to appeal it, and you should be able to request for your account to be enabled again, and you should be able to fix the issue. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.